when I joined your course, it was clear that computer science students are gonna blow up and AI is gonna eat their jobs. The CTC was around 10 lakhs. Now it's just 6 lakhs per annum.
Will artificial intelligence replace us? Tata Consultancy Services. They're letting go of 12,000 people. 200,000 and counting. That's the number of tech workers who've been fired this season. If you're wondering whether AI is coming for your job, well, spoiler alert, it may already have.
The first class, the Sunday master class, I attended it. It was quite fabulous. Avinash kept us engaging so much that I just got the course the same night gradually and started my LinkedIn based education marketing. From that, I got my first client. Agency also closed, one of the biggest fintech influencer in India.
And he might have only got 15,000 initially, but that 15,000 is the tipping point for today to make probably a few millions of dollars tomorrow. First message he messaged us, I don't have a bank account. Can you give your debit card to buy ChatGPT subscription? That's his first question. Now he made 10 lakh rupees as an 18-year-old kid. And you rejected a client that said we'll pay you $2,000. Why is that?
So his expectation was too vague. So he's expecting to build a $20,000 solution for $2,000.
If that particular person is not going to value my service, why will I do that for $2,000? Because he's going to make probably $2 million out of this entire transaction in a year.
Who want to start an agency or be a developer? One thing. Content is king, but distribution is God. More people you serve, more you will be visible to the network.
He got $100,000, $132,000 client from a YouTube video. Start giving value and people will come and give you money. You've spoken about the massive pressure to become financially independent at 18. What message would you give for people above your age? How you made that? Why you gave so much value absolutely free of cost?
The earlier you work a lot, the easier you will be for you to retire.
Ashwant, before the 10 lakhs, before the enterprise clients, who were you really? What was life at 17 in VIT?
So before I start Freedom with AI, I just completed my 12th, and the time when I got 2 months to learn things, apply for college universities, that time I discovered Freedom with AI, and the first class, the Sunday master class, I attended it. It was quite fabulous. Avinash kept us engaging so much that I just got the course the same night, and the first introduction video was so powerful that it made me complete entire course within a month, except the inner circle calls. And after that, eventually November came, the first boot camp for Diamond membership entered, where Mani Kanasani teaches all the things about introduction to AI, automation engineering, and all those things. And eventually, I learned a lot of things. I was a part of Freedom with AI intern and helped a lot of community members, and gradually and started my LinkedIn based education marketing, where I post whatever I learn, and from that I got my first client around 15-20K from our community itself. So I made a voice agent and a chatbot to them, and they was quite satisfied. And eventually, I got few more offers from LinkedIn itself. One of them is from Aryan. So he is a success story which Mani discussed morning.
Aryan, yeah.
Aryan Mahajan.
Yeah, Aryan is the success story of money. He, I think, made $50,000.
70,000.
$70,000 in how many months?
No, MRR.
Huh?
Monthly recurring.
Monthly, in the first month of. Okay, he makes $70,000 a month.
Now he is making 70K MRR.
Yeah,
First
back
month he
then
made $9,000.
$9,000 in a
month. First
month. So he was inspired to see the result of money student who is Aryan. I think he's also Indian, but staying in another country. He made $7,000 in a month after starting his AI automation agency with money, and then he joined us at just seeing the Aryan as an inspiration. And cut to the chase, 10 lakh rupees made in probably 5-6 months of his professional experience. I think he deserves claps. Amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you. You've spoken about the massive pressure to become financially independent at 18.
Yeah,
Why?
it's not kind of pressure, but it's kind of self-independence.
Self
Independence.
independence. You want to become independent.
Yes.
But why? Like, not a lot of people at 18 thinks about becoming self independent because they ask money for all the stuff to the parents, and parents are okay to give us 18-year-old, right? So
Yeah.
why you are thinking in a different direction then?
So once my mother shared a powerful word. The earlier you work a lot, the easier you will be for you to retire.
For
You to retire faster.
retire.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Wow, crazy. So got inspired from your mom's words,
Yes.
and then you wanted to become
And
independent.
yeah, from that moment, I started to explore various courses. During lockdown, I completed level two of coding and web development.
Yeah.
And I was exploring many courses online. And random day, I found your ad in Instagram that led me to this moment here.
And you joined us at 17, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
First message he messaged us is Kundan or Animesh or Avinash, I don't know who he wrote it. I don't have a bank account. Can you give your debit card to buy ChatGPT subscription? That's his first question. Now he made 10 lakh rupees. As an 18-year-old kid, you're a kid. I'm sure you're a kid, at least for a lot of people in the audience. Amazing. Thank you for sharing that very inspiring moment. I also have a very good connect with my own mother, and her one line, just like your mom's, changed my life. And we're sitting here talking about our mother's lines. Thanks a lot to them, and super grateful for us, their mothers, our mothers. Thank you. You're in the top engineering college in South India, one of the top engineering
Yeah.
college. But you still felt everything is theoretical and pointless.
Yeah.
What made you feel that?
So before joining VIT, I joined your course. So I started to learn content on AI. So when I joined your course, it was clear that computer science students are gonna blow up and AI is gonna eat their jobs. When I joined, the average placements, the CTC was around 10 lakhs.
How much?
10 lakhs per annum for people placing in VIT.
VIT.
Now it's just 6 lakhs per annum.
Oh,
I know
okay.
there will be a drop, so I thought of getting more into AI and learning things
Yeah.
before others can replace me.
Yeah. By the time you graduate your college, you will make the 10 lakhs in probably a week or 10 days.
Yeah.
Every 10 days, you will make 10 lakhs. I'm sure about it because you still have 3 years left, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
Amazing. I'm manifesting that for you, man. Thank you. Um, you know take us to that first client. I think he interned with us basically.
Yeah.
He kind of served the community members. He didn't take any money we offered, but he did it for free. So his job is to basically, whenever someone comes newly, he just takes some sessions, help us out with the questions, just like Kundan and Tushar would do. He would help people who Tushar and Kundan was not able to touch base, and he did that. And then you got one of those persons that you consider as your own client.
Yeah.
That kind of gave you confidence
Yeah.
to serve more clients, and that is the result of you closing one more client, made 10 lakh rupees from that. So now what I want is how you made that, why you gave so much value absolutely free of cost, and then I just want that journey. Can you double click on that?
So first of all, interning at Freedom with AI is my first opportunity of my learning path towards professional experience. And when I never thought it's kind of a burden. I spoke more 100 calls, and it made me feel what are the gaps we have right now, what can be learned, and what can I learn from people. That made me inspired to speak with more people and serve the community.
Amazing. You see that value creation, not money extraction. He created value for free for like 100 people, absolutely free. And he might have only got 15,000 initially, but that 15,000 is the tipping point for today to make probably a few millions of dollars tomorrow. How many of you absolutely agree with this? Yes? Thank you. And I was listening to that $2,000 rejection. You rejected a client that said will pay you $2,000. Why is that?
Yeah, it's more than $2,000. So the first time I was trying to outreach, I partnered with one more person from our community. So we were in sales call. So his expectation was too vague. So he is expecting to build a $20,000 solution for 2,000. So I made clear that I'll not work if they're not gonna value me. So the power of saying no started there itself and made clear that whom I wanna work with and the thing which I wanna do, I will be doing the same thing.
Wow. Did you hear that? Let me summarize that or maybe double click on that again. So he partnered up with someone in Freedom with AI. Okay. And the other person hired him to be his arbitrage partner. So that means he gets the project from his connects and he fulfills that. So that was the setting. And they both together went on to a potential client call and he agreed to pay $2,000 for a $20,000 worth of service. It's just worth. He could have simply said yes, worked for probably 15, 20 days, the project is done, he would have gotten $2,000. But he said, if that particular person is not going to value my service, why will I do that for $2,000? Because he's going to make probably $2 million out of this entire transaction in a year.
Yeah.
Is that the belief system that we need? Rejecting money because there is no value given to him. Yeah? Thank you. Message to every young person, there are so many young people here. What message would you give? And I will also ask one more message to all the,
Yeah. So,
elders.
If someone wanna start an agency or
Young people, no?
yeah,
Perfect.
anyone who wanna start an agency or be a developer, one thing, content is king, but distribution is God. More people you serve, more you will be visible to the network. Then you get more trust and more loyalty. That's when you build a massive network and you deal real big projects, right? So that's a quote I think Ambani quoted. I'm referencing same.
Perplexity founder told
Yeah.
that in a
In a
podcast.
podcast.
Yeah, amazing. I'll again double click on that. In other words, he's saying reach out to more people and say them that you do this, which is AI automation agency or whatever the path that you choose. That's it. That's the secret. Can you believe the secret is so simple and you can't even fathom that's a secret? Secret is just to say the world that I do this consistently, hundreds of times at hundreds of settings. That's the secret.
Yeah.
Most amazing things in life are very simple. We'll think it must be complex to make sense, but no, it doesn't work that way. Things are simple most of the times. It's just that we're not able to believe that simplicity is the solution for so many things. Yeah, please.
Yeah, to prove this point, I'll like to add a case study here. So, Aryan, as Mani said morning, in 6 months he grew his LinkedIn from 0 to 35,000 followers. So now what is he doing? He has so much distribution that he's getting $1,000, $2,000 just for making a workflow about their product. And he just turned this into a service. He's now preparing cloud-based ghostwriters and selling it for $6,000, $10,000, and creating those brand in LinkedIn.
I hope you're taking notes, guys. I don't see a lot of people taking notes. These are the golden nuggets. No video recordings will be given. Please take as much notes as possible. Like, please. Yeah.
Yeah, now recently it means our team closed a deal and we grew their LinkedIn from 0 to 10,000 followers just in 2 months with the same strategy, the context engineering part we did with the cloud ghostwriter setup, and our agency also closed one of the biggest fintech influencer in India. So we partner with them and he made the same system for them and it's working perfectly fine.
Wow. I don't know why every time you say something, I have something more to say to this. In other words, what Money did is, Money created 5-hour long videos, 3-hour long videos, 6-hour long videos on what he does at his agency. Right? Like he created a voice bot, let's say for spas, to answer calls without humans. Got it? So he created a solution, an AI solution for client. There's no client, he just created a demo. That's it. Initially. And then he showed how he created this bot in YouTube end to end. And a business owner came in and said, hey, I want this. Why did business owner came? He could just see and do it, right? No business owner will do that if he is really a business owner because he doesn't have time or she doesn't have time. she or he would rather pay $2,000 to money and buy that 28 hours of time of implementation and probably 100 hours worth of, trial and error, right? So that's the logic. And he did this hundreds of times on YouTube. Every solution that he did in his own agency, he literally created a video absolutely free of cost. But of course, not in super in depth. He does that in our Freedom with AI calls, but at a level where everyone knows that this guy has depth. Now, when everyone knows that this guy has depth, people will come to you and ask for service. On top of that, what he did is he put the transcriptions of these videos that he created and then attached the client's success stories from each of these video implementations that he did. Let's say he created an AI solution for spas again, and he saved $10,000 for this spa. Some or other way he closed more leads, AI is trying to upsell better, lead conversions and stuff like that. So he took this as a video and then got this transcription out, said, hey, this is the transcription of my YouTube video. Convert this into a viral LinkedIn post. Claude, he uses Claude a lot. We use ChatGPT, but he uses Claude. I don't know why. But it's way better than ChatGPT. Sometimes for very personalization. So maybe just try it out. So now he created a lot of viral content on LinkedIn just from this, existing YouTube videos and took followers from 0 to 35,000. So what did he do end of the day? 2 channels, YouTube and LinkedIn, created content on what he does and what results he's giving. No entertainment, no so much of value, just saying what he does. And he got the results. He got $132,000 client from a YouTube video. 1 crore worth of a client for a year, he got it from a YouTube video. Can you even fathom the deal size? That's the thing. You all have to do that, okay? When you start, maybe you show your face, doesn't show your face, imaginary, name, doesn't matter. Start giving value and people will come and give you money. Got it? I'm so sorry. Yeah. What message would you give for people above your age? Let's say people in the 25 plus, that 20s for me, 30s, 40s, 50s. What message would you give them for older to you?
Yeah. So a lot of people older than us has experience of our age. So
Experience of
our age itself.
our age,
Yeah.
yes.
So they can literally use AI to just arbitrage a lot of things. So a lot of their work could be automated because they know each and every part of the work they're gonna do, and they can just document the same thing in cloud and ask how to automate this. This is quite easy. We do it every time when we are stuck. We use Opus 4.1. Whatever we are stuck in any now make, we just upload the workflow. We ask why is it not working, why it's not giving us the efficient results. Cloud, it means Cloud is better in this form for N8N. So Cloud really understands what each and every prompt, each and every line says, and it pinpoints what is the exact thing you're missing. And in that way, you can hit and trial and improve your efficiency a lot better.
Wow. Can you see depth again in this? The pattern is depth, guys. I don't know whether they're spiritual or not, but fortunately they're very in-depth in everything that they, do. He's talking about a lot of depth here. Can you just figure it out? Yes? How many of you understood that depth is more important, not a surface level knowledge that ChatGPT also has? The business owner could also go to ChatGPT and get the answer out. But what ChatGPT lacks sometimes is consciousness, depth, and passion. If you have passion, you get depth, and you get depth, you get money and happiness, of course. Yes? Perfect. Thank you for watching. Join Freedom with AI Masterclass to learn practical AI skills that help you stay ahead.